Redmi 6 Pro features a matte finish body with curved edges and has a 5.84-inch FHD Plus screen for a good viewing experience. This phone comes in 4 color options: black, gold, red and blue. The phone comes in 2 RAM and storage variants. The 3GB RAM variant has a 32GB internal memory, while the 4GB RAM variant has a 64GB internal memory. The internal memory on both the variants can be expanded up to 256GB using a microSD card in the dedicated slot. The Redmi 6 Pro has dual SIM slots, of which one slot can support 4G VoLTE capability at one time. It has a large 5.84-inch Full HD screen that produces sharp visuals for a great viewing experience. Unlock the phone instantly using 4 unlock options: fingerprint sensor, face unlock, smart unlock, or through a Mi Band. The phone features a 12-megapixel plus 5-megapixel AI dual rear camera with electronic image stabilization, AI portrait mode, and Sony and Samsung sensors for capturing visually rich and detailed images. A 5-megapixel front camera with AI Beautify and AI portrait mode lets you take stunning selfies in bokeh shots. The Redmi 6 Pro runs on Android Oreo and has Snapdragon octa-core processor for high performance. You can also use the split screen functionality to use 2 apps at once. Using dual apps, you can run 2 separate versions of the same app, including WhatsApp. This phone is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, warranty card, SIM ejector pin, user guide, and a back cover. The Redmi 6 Pro is made available through various EMI options, net banking, or payment through your debit or credit cards.
An Amazon exclusive.
The Honor 8X features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus screen, which has a good gaming and entertainment experience. The sleek finish and glass body make the phone look elegant. Choose between 3 color variants: midnight black, navy blue and red. The phone is available in 3 memory variants: 4GB RAM plus 64GB memory, 6GB RAM plus 64GB memory and 6GB RAM plus 128GB memory, which can be expanded up to 400GB using a microSD card in the dedicated slot. The Honor 8X has dual SIM slots, both of which support 4G VoLTE capability. It has a big 6.5-inch capacitive touchscreen with 91% screen-to-body ratio for an immersive viewing experience. The phone has a fingerprint sensor and face unlock for quick unlock. The phone features a 20-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera with AI multi-scene recognition and AI beauty effect. The 16-megapixel front camera comes with enhanced ISO, 4-in-1 light fusion support and bokeh effect for great selfies. The Honor 8X runs on Android Oreo plus EMUI 8.2 operating system and has an octa-core processor with Mali G51 GPU, which makes it suitable for gaming and multitasking. The phone is powered by a 3750 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user guide, quick start guide, SIM ejector tool and protective case. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.
We all rely on our phones and feel lost when they run out of power. So, charge your phone 2 times faster than the wall with Duracell Power Bank. Your phone reaches 30% in just 20 minutes, keeping your mobile and giving you extra talk or surf time. Duracell Power Bank also charges at the same time as your phone, so you will always have it charged. It's flight-friendly and includes 10 safety features, protecting you and your phone. Plus, Duracell Power Bank is compatible with Apple, Android and most USB-powered devices. Keep your mobile with Duracell Power Bank.
The Realme U1 has a 6.3-inch screen with a dewdrop notch design and slim edges for a stylish look. Choose between 2 colors, Brave Blue and Ambitious Black. You can choose between 2 memory options, 3GB RAM plus 32GB internal memory or 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal memory, expanded up to 256GB using the dedicated memory card slot. Both the dual SIM slots support 4G VoLTE capability. The Full HD Plus touchscreen display has a 90.8% screen-to-body ratio for a great viewing experience. The phone can be unlocked with fingerprint or facial recognition in less than 0.1 second. Featuring a 25-megapixel front camera with the Sony IMX576 sensor, the phone can take great selfies. The 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel AI dual rear camera uses processor-based enhancements like high-resolution depth engine, bokeh mode, anti-blooming engine which prevents whiteouts and AI face detection. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Helio P70 AI processor which is suitable for heavy gaming and multitasking. A 3500 mAh battery powers the phone. With the AI processor, the phone consumes up to 15% lesser battery than other similar phones. Box includes handset, USB Type 2A charger, pre-applied screen protector film and free back case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange.